Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a quick clean with me. It's Friday and I don't know about you guys, I always like to start the weekend off with a nice clean house. That way during the weekend I don't really have to worry about it. I can spend time with my husband and my daughter doing fun activities and just hanging out and not having to worry about vacuuming or cleaning up mess or anything. The house has already started off at least with a clean slate until we get through to Monday. So I hope this video gives you guys lots of motivation, and let's go ahead and get started.
You hear them calling, shouting your name. Turn up the collar and walk away. Feels like you're falling, now who is to blame? Wishing you'd only be more like them. Over and over, you cry yourself to sleep. And you're colder, much colder. If only you could see. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came? Don't you know that you're beautiful, no matter what the scars, no matter what they say? And we'll shout it out louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us down, 'cause you know that we're beautiful, just the way we are. Don't let them sell you all of their dirt. It all will come back once the tables turn. Bolder, go bolder. Now set your sails on high. And you're stronger, much stronger than they will ever be. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came? Don't you know that you're beautiful, no matter what the scars, no matter what they say? And we'll shout it out louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us down, 'cause you know that we're beautiful, just the way we are. We're beautiful. So don't go changing. You're perfect as you are, just the way you are. Keep on shining. You're perfect as you are, just the way you are. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came? Don't you know that you're beautiful, no matter what the scars, no matter what they say? And we'll shout it out louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us down, 'cause you know that we're beautiful, just the way we are, just the way you are, oh, just the way you are. The other night, saw you glance, your everlasting light. Met your eyes, razor sharp, cut right through the crowd. I don't even want to know your name, I just wanna keep you to myself. Stay with me or leave me be, I want you all too bad. We're strangers in the night. We're in a strange delight. not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I've been thinking about you all the time, but that's alright. I'm starting to get used to it, think I'll survive. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the to do. I'm just staring at my walls and talking to myself now and then. I'll try to laugh, but I'll cry a bit as well. I was never any good at being away from you. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control.
Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope it helps you get motivated for your Friday to get your house nice and clean before the weekend, if that's what you like. I know I always enjoy starting the weekend with a nice clean house so I can just enjoy the weekend without any work or stresses of having to clean up. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure and give it a big thumbs up, as well as hit subscribe down below. I would love to have you here. I also have a giveaway going on my channel right now until the 28th, where you can win some of the Mrs. Meyer's products you saw me using in this clean with me. So make sure and check that out. I will link it. I believe it's right here somewhere in the sky. It'll be there. And if you are subscribing, make sure and turn on your notification bell so you never miss when I post a new video. That's it for today, guys. Have a great weekend. I'll see you on Monday. Bye.